Guys, good day guys, it's the FX detective speaking. Today we're going to test an alligator strategy, and if you check how the alligator moves, you will see that it's almost like moving averages. But then our approach today is going to be a different approach. We are going to try to enter every time when the market goes above all the three lines and then crosses above green, then we buy. Then if it crosses above all the lines and crosses up below blue, then we sell like here. Then we will catch trades like that. If it's crossing from below going to above for green, and if it's crossing for example, this is what you will see here happening. So without wasting any time, I've already prepared our conditions this side. So if you check here, our condition is that the candle close of now should be below the blue line. This is when we're preparing our sell trades, and then in this other condition we also did the same, that the latest candle should be below the other line, should be also below red, and then another one, it should also be below the green one. So and then we're gonna use trailing of parabolic RSA. When the profit gets to 1, then we'll start trading. So without wasting any further time, we download our robot, and then we test it here, and then Alligator 5 minutes time frame. We do that. That's too fast, but then we can slow it down and we retest it. And then if you check there, it crossed the blue one, not the green one, so we wait for it to cross all the three. When it crosses to below, you see, that's our sell and our trailing, because our profit was more than $1. That was almost like a break even, just a 20-cent profit. We're using minimum lot size, guys. We're testing this robot on step index. Please note that the digits are also standard for this. If you check, we have taken 2 trades, all of them they are wins. If you check, that's how we trade our profit. Look at that. That's how our strategy operates, guys. So this is how it works. You check there, the market crossed to below and then tried to cross above. That's why we bought, but then we closed in profit. Look at this, guys. You see, when things get ugly like this, mostly you end up in consolidation. Okay, our conditions are working perfectly fine. If you check, that closed in profit. Okay, let's make a fast forward to see what happens. If you check, our money is going down, guys. So which means there are cases where it was making losses. So let's see this side. If we check this side, I'm gonna check the backtesting data. If you check, we make 2 consecutive wins on average and make 2 consecutive losses on average. The maximum consecutive wins is 7, and then the losses is 6. So please take note of something. We said when our average profit trades, profit per trade is less than our average loss per trade, that's when we don't make money on the strategy. Hence you saw the market or the money on our balance kept on going down. If you check here, many days were won, and except these 2 last days, those 2 last days made huge losses and contributed to losing the money. This is the FX detective. I'm gonna optimize this on the next video, then I'll give you an optimized strategy below on the description. So without any waste of time, subscribe and hit the like button and go to the next video of the alligator strategy. It will be optimized, and check which digits work best.